Let's talk about on-grid solar power system. The earth receives a lot of solar energy in the form of light. When sunlight touches the solar panel in your rooftop, it converts the light into DC electricity, which then passes through an inverter that converts the DC into an AC electricity to power your home electrical appliances. In a on-grid type solar power system, any surplus electricity that is not being used in your house is exported to the grid. Some people use a net meter to measure the exported units of electricity to sell at a price defined by their grid provider. Now let's look at an off-grid solar power system. This type of system works independently and does not require any connection to the grid. Also, some of the components are slightly different in this system when compared to an on-grid system. It has an off-grid type inverter and a battery to store electricity for use during power cuts and night times. The amount of backup power depends on the number of batteries you connect in the system. If the batteries are fully charged, all of the solar electricity is supplied to power your home electrical appliances. Okay, so what is hybrid solar power system? As the name suggests, it is a combination of both on-grid and off-grid type solar power system. It has the benefit of both. The system has a hybrid inverter which is designed to connect to the grid on one side and also has the provision to connect to a battery for backup power. The hybrid system works in multiple scenarios, but primarily used to charge the battery and power the home electrical appliances. If there is surplus electricity produced by the system, it can export it into the grid as well.